up, y'all?
What's good?
Midnight Chaos. Rainy day. We out here at the spot from the last video, and just trying to get some rainy day skids.
We'll see what happens.
Yeah, check it out.
All right, look. Why don't you just try? If it's not gonna like work that good, just drive up to it and then kick clutch around it and see how that works. All right. All right, look. Drive around the circle. Drive around this cone. Keep driving around in the circle. Drive around perfect. Then once you get your circle, kick clutch. And then hold the same size circle. And just try to keep it going. Keep it going that same one size circle. And that's how you keep the rhythm instead of like kind of you get a rhythm and then you kind of come out the rhythm. Right. But don't worry about spinning out. How you feel? How you feel?
Second gear, it feels a lot better than first.
Yeah, I told you.
Yeah, but it's like
It's the RPM band.
once you start to get down,
You can't let it go.
up.
Yeah, because you don't have enough power in the car.
Yeah.
So once you get in the RPMs, don't be scared to be up in the RPMs. That's what I'm saying. Like stay in like 7, 6, 7, 6, 7, 6. Yeah, you still got a lot of tread.
It was at this moment that he knew. He fucked up.
Oh shit. Nah, it came right off. Make it smaller.
It's hard as fuck. second gear like in the power band, bro? In this car? At least
So like once you get the car going and you feel the power band going down, that's when you kick clutch to keep the RPMs back up.
okay. Yeah.
Yeah.
Cause it's like fucking you so in the moment. So I'm just like watching the shit.
Yeah, I mean like continuously doing of that is gonna like wear down on the clutch.
Yeah.
But like that's what you're gonna have to do to keep the car in the RPM band that you're trying to do. And like you try to just keep it like to a minimum, like less. That's why I was trying to just say like learn how to do power drifts where it's just all just throttle and you just using throttle to keep the drift going. You can do that too. You just got to keep the RPMs up. And it's like you got to find the sweet spot in the car. You know what I'm saying? It's the sweet spot with how short your wheelbase is in the rear. So it's gonna swing around fast on you. You got to get used to that shit. It's an A6. Almost. Hey, can you do one big circle around both cones? Huh? I think you got a fan base. Right on. Yeah, I'll pick it up. Or the opposite.
Yeah, it's hot as fuck. I'm still learning, man. Just trying to get better, trying to get into second gear.
Yeah.
First gear is pretty easy, but staying in the power band in second gear is hard as fuck.
Yeah.
Especially trying like not to.
Can you heel toe?
What, into second or what?
No, like, yeah, into second.
I don't know, man. I have to go back and watch the Toge Bible, bro, the Drift Bible, and fucking watch how he's doing that
I
shit.
understand.
But I always thought the heel toe is like if you're in third and you about to corner and then you heel toe downshift into your drift.
Or heel toe is just basically to keep you in the higher upper and the higher RPM while breaking into a corner.
Oh, okay,
So
like,
you'd be using it in drifting because you're always going into a corner.
Yeah.
Or-
Yeah. turn the AC on. Well, it's hot in here.
He said he gonna turn the AC on while drifting.
God damn.
Big money.
I don't know, dude.
Alright.
I'm gonna try another second gear.
Yeah. I mean, like, that's why I'll stay in second and go around both of them.
Yeah.
And try to get you a drift around both of them in second. Alright.
My fucking car, I see it was hella dirty in the video.
Yeah, it looks tight though.
So, let's see here. I don't know. Fuck it. I guess I'll just do it how you told. That was the easiest way to get in second gear.
Yeah, just put it in second, drive around circles.
Bro, you see how close I got to the cone a few times?
Yeah.
See how it's dying? I'm
Yeah.
flooring it, bro.
Okay. Alright. Okay, now just drive. Just go in a circle. And just give it more and more gas as you go up. And make the circle big enough so bigger and bigger and bigger until you like start losing grip naturally. You know what I'm saying? Like you just wanna let the car just naturally lose grip. Just keep going in the circle. Keep going in the circle. Keep going in the circle. Now catch it. Keep you know what I'm saying? Like
It ain't.
keep,
Alright, let me try again.
yeah, you could do it. Sick.
Oh man, that's a milestone. Fuck.
Progression.
Oh my god.
Oh man, told you gotta do it.
Second gear,
You gotta do it.
This shit you said helps too, like
Yeah.
once you get going and like kick clutch it,
Yeah.
and then once it's up there, it's up there.
Yeah.
You know what I'm saying?
Yeah, but you know what I'm saying? But when you see it's coming down, go back up. Like, you know. Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah, I'm proud of you, bro. Alright. Larry just shredded his tires. How do you feel?
I feel good, but then at the same time, it's like, now I gotta buy tires.
Yeah.
Or actually, no, I'm about to put my stock tires back on, just run those until next year. Fuck it, man. I'm not trying to buy new tires right now. So y'all gonna see me out here back on the motherfucking 17s.
Yep.
But,
It's alright.
this is my first time actually like shredding some tires, so it feels great, man.
That's awesome. I'm happy for you, bro.
Yeah.
Yeah, he just went in debt some more right there, baby.
Crucial.
Crucial. Yo, y'all gotta listen to this car while we drive.
Fucking sounds like ass. I'm just glad. I'd rather be the tire than like fucking suspension part or something. You know what I'm saying? Like,
Fuck yeah.
I didn't know what the fuck it was at first.
We gotta take the long way home now.
Hey, but I can honestly say, man, that shit was worth it.
Yeah, it was.
Like, I low-key feel like I got hella better in just that one session.
In like 2 different times of you practicing, you got really good.
Yeah, man.
The cones really helped.
The cones, it like changed the game. Man.
Yeah. You ran to them a couple times, but like, not as many as I thought you were gonna hit it.
Yeah.
So that's a plus.
Bro, people was like filming and shit.
I know, bro. I was trying to get them on film.
I was like fucking up. They probably thought this shit was
You
crazy.
had like different groups of people that come by and stop.
Yeah.
People were walking by and just stopping
like
and watching.
a dude in a Charger, like stopped and started filming.
Yeah, I saw that. That was wild. Hood drifts. What happened when you drifting in the hood? People just be wanting to watch.
Yeah.
They don't even call the police.
I appreciate that.
They like, they professionals. Like the whole time we were out there, no police pulled up at all, bro. Like, at all.
I love the city, man.
I love St. Louis City, bro. You know, it's always enough crime going on to where we could be doing stupid shit.
You don't gotta worry about it.
And you ain't gotta worry about it, man.
Come out here to the county, that's a different story.
Damn, don't do this shit in the county.
Yo, man, you going to jail now?
You going to jail? Let's go, nigga. You going to jail?
Damn, Larry. Federals.
Federal tires, man.
Federal. It was worth it, wasn't it?
That's some pretty good tires, man.
Man, that shit was fun.
If I wasn't driving like an ass, I'd still, they would still be lasting me.
Tilted right now. Oh, shit. At least you only need some rears.
Yeah.
You know,
Yeah.
that's not bad.
Yeah,
The fronts are holding.
I could go ahead and buy the rears, but it's like, I got like, what, 2 more months before it starts snowing and shit? So
Yeah.
it's probably not even worth it. And I was gonna buy winter tires, so it's like,
Yeah.
I'm gonna just run the small boys.
Small boys gonna be out here. You was gonna buy some winter tires for the 17s?
I was thinking about it,
Yeah,
yeah.
that'd be tight. So you know,
Snow tires,
you could probably burn down a little bit of the old ones then.
right?
Yeah.
We gonna be back out here next week.
Yeah.
In the stock boys.
What you mean? We getting those on Amazon, bro. Prime me. Prime me. Ha.
A few moments later.
All right, so as you can see, we are swapping these tires out, and God damn. Damn, I mean, it was worth it though. Shit, we had a good ass time. But fuck. About to throw these stock boys back on.
Another great day, guys.
Another day at the office. Shit. Trying to get better, man.
It was a better time.
Yeah, it really helps to have the obstacle too, you know what I'm saying?
Yeah,
Like,
give
'cause
you something to look at.
Yeah, you can judge and
Yeah,
that shit was tight.
that was awesome.
And give us a like and subscribe if you haven't already. Check out the other videos on the channel. We got merch coming soon, so if you really want to support us and help us grow on YouTube, definitely be on the lookout for the merch and cop it when we drop it.
We also want to just say thank you for watching our videos, and we'll be back with some more action stuff soon.
You gonna do it again?
Yeah.
Be like chaos.
Be like chaos, we got this bitch. Ah! Yeah, what you mean? We in this motherfucker. I'm back. Give me a second. Lost. Lost. Check out the Instagram. Fucks with the Instagram and subscribe.